The former Secretary of the Department of National Defense has called on all government officials to step down from their positions to pave the way for a transition government. Find out why in an exclusive interview with Almar Forzuelo.
Ika nga wala ng pag-asa yung nangyayari sa politika natin. Kaya kailangan lahat ng nasa politika, lahat ng nasa pwesto ngayon, mas maganda magsipag-resign lahat.
This was the statement made by former Defense Secretary Norberto Gonzales in an exclusive interview with SMNA News. His remarks stem from the widespread corruption in the country, allegedly involving government officials themselves. It can be recalled that former DPWH Assistant District Engineer Bryce Hernandez revealed that they have delivered bags of cash at Shangri-La in Taguig and at the residence of former Representative Zaldico in Valle Verde, Pasig City. Following this, former security aide Orly Regala Guteza also disclosed that they likewise delivered trolleys of cash to Martin Romualdez. Earlier, Gonzales said that corruption has become ingrained in the Philippine government system, which is why even with repeated changes in leadership of the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee, Filipinos will still not achieve the justice they long for.
Kahit ilang palit ng mamumuno ng Blue Ribbon Committee, sa tingin ko sa ngayon, hanggat hindi nila iniisip na dapat ng palitan totally ang sistemang politika, ganun pa rin ang mangyayari. May proteksyong mangyayari. May damage control na mangyayari. Hindi lalabas ang tunay na katotohanan na hinahanap ng taong bayan sa ngayon.
Thus, he suggested replacing the current political system of the Philippines by having all those in the present administration step down from their positions. And he said this should be led by President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr.
Yung resignation ng lahat ay isang napakagandang masasabi natin. Halimbawa na maipapakita natin sa taong bayan na kasi ang gusto ng taong bayan, pagbabago na eh. Ang pagbabago hindi mangyayari kung piraso-piraso. Nag-resign dito, may nag-resign dyan. Dapat yung buong sistema mag-resign sa ngayon para mabigyan ng pagkakataon na magkaroon tayo ng panibagong political system. Ako nga sana kung yung Pangulo natin, siguro dapat siya ang magsimula eh. Hikayatin niya na ang buong gobyerno na mag-resign para makapagsimula tayo ng panibago.
Politicians in the Philippines should follow the example of other countries where leaders voluntarily step down from their positions once their constituents are no longer satisfied with how they govern.
Kasi sa ibang bansa, hindi na sana natin kailangan mangyari yung nangyayari sa atin, mag-people power pa eh. No, sa ibang bansa, pag nawalan ng confidence ang mga mamamayan sa gobyerno, nagre-resign ang gobyerno. Eh dito sa atin, ipinaglalaban pa. Eh alam mo naman, bulok na eh. Kailangan ng palitan.
Although Gonzales admitted that it will not be easy, he believes that a transition government composed of individuals with sufficient knowledge and capability will pave the way for genuine reform.
May mga tao tayo sa lipunan na kayang gawin ang tama. Hindi lang natin binibigyan ng pagkakataon. In a transition government, sana pamunuan ng tama. Ang dapat nating ilagay dyan yung mga nakakaintindi. Ang dapat natin pag-isipan yung tinatanong mo, kung mag-resign lahat yan, ano mangyayari? Dapat magkaroon ng transition period. Dapat magkaroon ng transition government. Dapat yung gobyerno na yan, alam nila ang fundamentals. Ano dapat gawin.
But according to him, if the current officials do not do this,
hindi natin mapipigil ang people power. Walang nakakapigil ang people power eh. Hindi naman yan na-organize. Lumalabas yan sa damdamin ng taong bayan. At ako naniniwala, very soon, we will have people power.
For God and my beloved Philippines, Almar Forzuelo, SMNA News.